Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see right behind me, there is a new feature on the Forester, and this is a dual swing arms, spare tire carrier and jerrycan holder. I wanted it for a long time, so I'm really stoked about it. So this project has been possible thanks to Djebel Xtreme with the jerrycan and the jerrycan holder. Thank you guys. But it really happened thanks to Robert from Dragon Riders Travel, because he did an incredible work on it, with a little bit of my help. And since we are both Overland Band members and we worked together on it, we can proudly say that this is the first Mid-Europe Overland Band joint project. So what you're gonna see just after is not a how-to or a DIY video, but you're gonna see how we've built this awesome carrier together. Enjoy!
That's done?
Yeah, that's good.
There's no power. The sun is shining in my visor. Don't see shit. Here as well. Doesn't matter, it's bigger, but fit inside. Yeah! That's awesome. That looks really good.
It was an awesome project, isn't it? So now I have way more space on the back of the rig because the spare tire is not in it anymore, and I can also carry 20 liters of extra fuel of water for longer trips. So before ending this video, I really wanted to thank you again, Robert, for your kindness and all the work and effort you've put in it. Thanks again. If you want more of this, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account. I'm gonna post a lot more pictures of this awesome carrier. And also don't forget to check my Facebook page and to swing by my merch store. All the links are gonna be down below in the description as usual. So thank you guys for watching and see you next week.